Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Buju Banton has recruited Canadian rapper Tory Lanez for the remix of his 2019 hit single, Trust. Tory Lanez injects his fresh energy with a dancehall-inspired flow, using Jamaican pop culture references to complement Buju Banton's signature reggae dancehall style. Tory Lanez was humbled by the collaboration, stating that it's a dream come true as he has wanted to work with Buju Banton since he was a little kid. This remix follows the release of the collaborative Steppers Rhythm project that was released back in February, where the Grammy winner enlisted fellow veteran dancehall acts like Ghost, Tony Curtis, Agent Sasco, Version, and General B for the 11-track compilation. Still on Buju Banton, the artist is encouraging persons to stay safe from COVID-19 in this PSA.
We are going to get through this, but we have to do the best and do the right thing. Stay in our homes. Social distancing is the new social norm. But it's the right thing to practice right now.
Well, dancehall artist Ding Dong says fans should not expect a COVID-19 dance. He told the Star that he will definitely not be doing a song about the coronavirus, noting that he's all about the fun, but this is not a fun thing for people to joke and laugh about. Instead, Ding Dong and his Ravers Clavers crew have opted to create a new dance dubbed Darakia. Now to news overseas, where Rihanna has donated $5 million to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Clara Lionel Foundation will donate the money to a number of organizations to immediately mobilize a broad response, working on the ground with partners that include the World Health Organization's COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund, the International Rescue Committee, and others. Rihanna also plans to donate over $700,000 worth of ventilator equipment to Barbados to help her home country tackle the outbreak. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.